National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Reno County, southwestern Rice County, until 6 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stafford, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect ping-pong ball-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sylvia,